Hey guys, how's it going? Today we will be recreating this logo. Let's go ahead and get started. Go to Illustrator, download the image in the link down below if you want to, or you can just follow along. We're going to start off by making a circle. Take the fill out, the stroke, make it somewhere around 16, and then adjust the size so that it somewhat matches the logo. Doesn't have to be perfect. Make sure the stroke is a even number so that we don't have any problems later on when we're connecting the circles. Now hit Ctrl Y, turn off the visibility of your logo. Using the line segment, you're going to, from the center of the circle, make a line to the path of the circle. Hold Shift meanwhile so that it gives us a perfect 45-degree angle. Now deselect everything, select your stroke or your line, click on the letter R, select the rotation from the bottom of the anchor. Without clicking anything else, click on the top anchor, hold Alt and Shift, and make a copy. This made the rotation the bottom of the line. Now hit Ctrl D. Deselect everything, hit the minus button on your keyboard, and delete all the anchor points inside of the circle. Hit Ctrl Y, and you see that we left the anchor points on the outside of the stroke or the outside of the line. Hit Ctrl Y again, select all, group it together. Toggle the visibility of your logo. Using the Alt button and the Shift button, make a copy so that it somewhat resembles the logo. Select both of these, hit Ctrl C, hit Ctrl F, and holding Shift, rotate it 90 degrees. Now you see that if you see the snake, it follows a path. This path is the following. Alright, so when we make our connections, it's going to follow this path. So holding the line button, the line segment, make sure your stroke is the same as the past one, which was 15. You're going to connect this anchor to this anchor, connect this anchor to this anchor, connect this anchor to this anchor, and connect this anchor to this anchor. You will also connect this anchor to this anchor, and this anchor. Hold Shift, make a straight line, hit Ctrl Y, select all, go to Object, Expand, Fill and Stroke. Now we're going to get rid of some stuff. Select these three lines or shapes, get rid of the inside. Now you can get rid of the top one. Select this line and select this line. Get rid of this middle area. To do this, I'm using the shape builder tool and holding the Alt button. Now select the circle and select these two lines. Using the shape builder, hold the Alt button, and this deletes certain areas. Now, select this area, select these two, this and this. In the Pathfinder tool, hit the Unite, select this one. Using the Shape Builder tool, again, hold Alt, delete this, and then hit Unite in the Pathfinder tool. Let's delete some of these unnecessary anchor points. Let's go ahead and fix this one a little bit. The bottom, hit the Unite. Now, zoom in a little bit, get rid of some of these extra anchor points, and bring some of these back. Toggle the visibility of your original logo so that we can see a little better. That's pretty good. Now with the tail, this is practically you can do this however you want. That looks pretty decent right there. You can spend more time if you want to. I'm not going to spend any more time for the sake of the tutorial. I'm going to cheat a little bit here. Just so that it looks smooth. Now for the head, we are going to make a copy of this circle on top. Using Alt and Shift, align it to the left. You are going to need to find the center of this circle. So with your ruler selected, drag a ruler to the center. Hit Ctrl Y, use the curvature tool. From this anchor, you're going to make a point to the middle of the circle, and then you're going to make a point to this left anchor. Hit Ctrl Y. You can go ahead and delete this one. Now, to make the head, we're going to make a circle roughly the same size as this one. Click the letter A, select the left anchor point, drag it out, click on this handle on the top, drag it to the middle anchor point, click on the bottom handle, drag it to the middle anchor point, and we have our head for the snake. Now, make sure you expand the stroke, select the head and the line, click on the shape builder tool, delete the excess, and then join up the rest of this. Select all, click on unite, and now you can make the tongue by yourself if you want to, right? But I gave you the basic outline of the logo. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any requests for any other logos to remake, please leave a message down below. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can keep up with the content. Thank you.